Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this top. So the first thing is to open up the fabric, place it on your shoulder and figure out how much you want the neck to drop, and then you mark it on your shoulder. And then the next thing is to mark where you want the length to be. It's supposed to be cropped, so you mark where you want the length to be, and then you place it on the floor. After the marking of the chalk, this is what I have here. So this is one line with the length. This is the length, and then this is the width, right? So what I did here, this is the length here, this is the width. So what I did here is to double it. So I folded it into two and then cut it out. So what I'm working with here is about folded is the length folded is about 15 inches folded, the length, and then the width is 21.5. so what I'm working with here is 15 by 21.5. So what I'm going to do now is I've already cut out the lace I'm going to use for the strap. So what I'm going to do now is to go to the sewing machine, sew this and flip it inside out. So I'm going to fold it this way and then use a safety pin to pass this through it. And the width of this is about 2 inches here. This is 2 inches here. So I'm using the smallest safety pin and I'm going to use it to I've sewed this, I closed up one end, so I'm going to use this now to try to pass this here and just flip it inside out. Do now is the way this is now, this is the right side here, so I'm going to flip it to the wrong side, right? So I'm going to flip it over. This is going to be the wrong side, and this folded part is now going to be your neckline. This is the neck part, and then this is going to be the waist part. So what you're going to do is the rope that you have for the neck part here, you're going to pass it through. Like for me, I want to use the shorter ones for the neck, but if you want, you can make all of them long, because you see the ones I'm going to use for the waist are also long. So I'm just going to take this here, put one in from underneath here this way, put it and then pin it down. So guys, put it in here and then pin it down here, and then leave about half an inch for closing up the end here. The next one, which is going to be this is going to be the top, right? Remember, this is going to be my top part. So you're going to push this in here, like you're going to pass it through from the inside, and then also, so this is going to be the end here, right? So I'm going to put this here, make sure the end comes out here, pin it down, and do it for the first side. So I'm going to move over to this side, so the other long one is going to be at the end here. So put it in here. So I'm going to put it down here, pin it down, and remember to leave half an inch for closing it up, and then take another one, which is the last one. So it's 4 corner, which is going to be this one here. Just try to push everything in, go from the end here, open it up, and then come up here. So guys, basically what I'm going to do now is to go to the sewing machine and close up this end, close up this side too. Just make sure you double stitch on any part you have this the fabric, the strap, and then close up this bottom here. I'll leave about 2 inches down here so that I can be able to flip this right side out. So I can flip it right side out. I'm also going to close up all the way. So basically what you have here is like a rectangle, and then you put in straps on the 4 corner. Remember, this is a satin fabric. So that's what I'm going to go and do now. So this is going to be your neckline, and the part with the opening, the double opening here, is going to be the waist part, and then the other 2 sides are going to be your side. So guys, I've closed up the ends all over. So now I left about 2 inches here. Now I'm going to flip it out. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and close up this end here, just this opening that I left here, and then iron out the top, and it's done. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.